planning on doing the Winterland course. Welcome to Winter Summerland Miniature Golf. And look at Santa's reindeer's tracks.
Right into the reindeer barn.
Oh, look at that. How adorable that Airstream is. That is so cool. I love it. It's playing Christmas music. Ooh, fireworks! We can see them from the course. Oh, it's like the campers are plugged in. That's so cute. Look at this igloo. Oh, look at this. This cooler is funny. Defrosty the cooler. Putt up the middle, give it a whack, make a good shot, and you'll get a snack. It opens up. This is a summer course. Look, it's grilling a turkey. That's so funny. And these are peppermint. There's tiny Airstreams everywhere. I'm so obsessed. Peppermint pond. There's a melted snowman right there. Yay! Which one? Bye-bye, fancy Christmas Airstream. You are so cute. Bob, your name's up there for the winter. Round 2 at Winter Summerland course.
We're about to do a winter Summerland golf course.
You guys? Yes. Oh, we're changing. Okay. We have these items, so we need to put them in the locker. So we're gonna go do that. Let's see. Where are they? All right, we are ready for golf.
You ready for Australian beers? We got the Fosters.
All right, I'm ready.
Hole number 1. Say about that. Garbage. Take it to the dumpster, man. Trash.
Pretty good.
Hey guys.
Not bad.
Let's do it.
Four.
Me?
I did 5. Oh my.
Is that 3? Guys, I highly recommend if you've never been here, please come out.
It's a blast.
Some support.
It's a blast from the past.
This is awesome. I mean, this is only the first hole, and we are having the time of our lives.
Oh my gosh. We want to live in this thing. Defrosty the cooler. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Hole in 1 at Defrosty. It's Christmas year round here and it's the best thing ever.
Let's see what he's got. Keep it going. Let's see this.
Ooh. It's Mickey gingerbread cookies. open fire. This one is like ice hockey. Super cute. Ooh. Okay.
Round the clock, mix and a mingle and a jingling. That's the jingle bell rock.
So obviously this is Blizzard Beach right here. And it is closed since it's dark, but it's also closed for refurbishment. So there's like no water in there, I'm sure. And it would just be really cool to see it at nighttime. I wish I could see through there. Even have a view of some fireworks. Legit. Another cutest thing ever. Let's see what the boys got.
Look at the snowman. He's so cute.
Fall out of there. Ah! It's just getting more adorable as the course continues.
Santa Claus, the chimney flute.
Put your ball under.
Beneath his shoe.
I found an ornament with my name on it. This is the best, most fun mini golf ever. Also, we just love Christmas themes, so hate to be biased, but it's Disney too, so how can it really get any better?